Good evening, everyone. Uh, the topic to be discussed together with Ma'am Francia Andrade, we were tasked to discuss regarding the dactyloscopy, its concepts, and its allied science in dactylography. To start, dactyloscopy, the science of fingerprint identification. Dactyloscopy relies on the analysis and classification of patterns observed in individual prints. Fingerprints are made of series of ridges and furrows on the surface of finger, which is the loops, whorls, and arcs. Formed by those ridges and furrows generally follow a number of distinct patterns. Fingerprints also contain individual characteristics called minute, such as the number of ridges and their groupings that are not perceptible to the naked eye. So, dactyloscopy came from the word dactyl, which means fingers, scopin or scopy, which means examination. So, dactyloscopy is the examination of fingerprint pattern. So, a fingerprint pattern of every individual contains ridges and furrows. The ridges is the complete circuit line that we can show or we can see if we flat in the flat surface the thumb or our fingers or our palm in the flat surface, so we makita ta na ang ridges and furrows. Ang furrows na siya amo ni sa ang in between sang ridges. So fingerprint pattern consist of loops, whorls, and arcs. There are three fingerprint patterns, which is loops, whorls, and arcs. So may ara pa ni sila nga ang loop may duha pa ni ka klase. Ang whorls may apat ni. Ang arcs may duha man isa. So ma-discuss ta ni karon sa last sa idalom sa naton nya kwan sang PowerPoint. So fingerprints are also contain individual characteristics called minute, such as the number of ridges and their groupings that are not perceptible to the naked eye. So may ara kita nga natawag nga ridge tracing and ridge counting. Next, concepts of dactyloscopy. The impression of a fingerprint on any surface, also an ink impression of the lines upon the fingertip taken for the purpose of identification. Something that identifies, such as a trait or trace or characteristic revealing origin or responsibility. So usually makita ta ni ang makita ta ni sa mga investigation section kung magkuha sa mga police clearance, kinanglan may kuhaan gid sang takuan sang fingerprint. At the same time, kung may mga arrested person, kinanglan i-booking kag kuhaan sang fingerprint. So dira makita ang impresyon sang fingerprints ang kada isa. Kag kung may ara na record, for example sa police station, NBI or whatsoever nga agency, dasig lang ma-detect ang criminal, either he or she recidivist or habitual. Next, the scientific dactylography, the scientific study of fingerprints known as dactylography, is used as a technique of crime detection by practically every modern law enforcement agency, other government agencies, and many private business also use fingerprints for identification purposes. So, dactylography is the study of fingerprints. Kag subong gina-practice ni sang tanan nga related agencies about sa identification sang isa ka tawo, either public or private man. So a fingerprint is the pattern of ridges and furrows on the surface of the fingertip that have been used to identify victims and criminals for hundreds of years, even since it was first used to secure a conviction in 1902. The basis of fingerprinting is very basic. Each person's fingerprints are said to be unique. These friction ridges exist to assist in our ability to grasp and hold onto objects. These ridge patterns, also known as vignette, and details of the ridges have so far never been repeated. The ridges on our fingertips are developed prior to birth as a fetus and are persistent throughout our life, with the exception of any permanent scarring that may occur. Different patterns in the ridge details occur at different rates, which allow for classification known as Hendry system. So, ang fingerprint pattern sa every individual person, there are different fingerprint pattern. So, kada isa sa nga tawo lain-lain sang fingerprint pattern. Even the twins, biological twins, bisan tuod nga kwan sila, ang kapid sila, pero hindi pareho ang ilang fingerprint pattern. Next, fingerprint details. In the Hendry system, developed by Sir Edward Richard Hendry in 1897, there are different levels at which an investigator can identify patterns. Level 1, detail. A general overview of the friction ridge flow, structural information and patterns on the finger palm. Level 2, detail individual friction ridge spots and friction ridge events such as bifurcation, ending ridges, and dots. Level 3, friction ridge dimensional attributes such as width, edge, shapes, and pore. So, according to Hendry system, developed by Sir Edward Richard Hendry in 1987, an investigator can identify patterns like level 1, detail, friction ridge. So, ang friction ridge, amo na sa ang makita ta na sa fingerprint pattern nga complete circuit na sa gapalibot sa kwan, sa ang gapalibot sa core. Amo na sa friction ridge. Then Level 2 detail individual friction ridge paths and friction ridge events such as bifurcation, ending ridges, and that. So may ara mga ridges nga hindi kompleto ang iya nga ang kumbaga kwansa ang hindi sa complete circuit. So ginatawag ni sa nga ending ridge. So ang bifurcation naman sa dagasa nga daw hindi saya diretso, medyo may galisa sa nga ridge. So that's tuldok amo na sa ang kwansang ridges makita na sa fingerprint pattern. Level 3 detail friction ridge dimensional attributes such as width, edge, kung ano ka ang kadako niya. Arabi nga kung dako man ang tao siguro ga depende na sa kadakuon sang kamot sang tao. Mayara ang dako ang kamo ang tudlo, dako man ang kwansang ridge niya. Next, fingerprint patterns. This is the meat and potatoes of fingerprinting. This is what it all comes down to. The details of a fingerprint are also broken down into categories. I've tried to include as many examples as possible to give you the best overall picture. Level 1 details include loops. First, loops characterized by ridges or ridge lines that enter from one side of the pattern and curve around to exit from the same side, and must have one delta. A delta is the ridge point closest to the type line. Divergence 60 to 65% of the population have loops. So ang loops pattern amo ni ang mas damo ng fingerprint pattern sa tao, sa every individual. Sila na ang amo na ang pinakamadamo ng kwan ng fingerprint pattern. So loops consist of one delta, siyempre may core. One delta, a delta is the ridge point closest to the type line. So malapit sa type line. Makita ta na ang kwansang loop karon. Next, amo ni sa ang type sang loop: ulnar loop and radial loop. The ulnar loop opens towards the little finger. Ulnar loop ari siya opens toward the little finger. So ang radial loop naman, the loop opens toward the thumb. So dasig na ma-identify, tanawon ta lang kung diin pa kadto ang iyang ang delta. Sa delta kita matanaw kung diin pa kadto ay either sa little finger or sa thumb. Amo ni sa ang example sang ulnar loop. Ang isa amo ni ang example sang radial loop. Consist of one delta, one core, amo man si kuan daw balis kadanay lang sila. Excuse me. Whorls includes ridge patterns that are generally rounded or circular or even spiral in shape and have at least two deltas. 30 to 35% of the population have whorls. So ang whorls naman niya, unlike sa loop, may ara ni saya nga two deltas. Gapalibot na siya daw circular na iyang itsura. Excuse me. Kag at least 30 to 35% of the population have walls. Kumbaga, mas nubo-nubo ni saya sa loop. Kay ang loop sa bilog ng population 60 to 65 ang loop pattern or fingerprint pattern nga loop. Ang wall naman niya medyo gamay-gamay saya. Plain walls and central pocket loops, which does count as a wall. This wall, despite name, have at least one ridge that makes a complete circuit. Can be spiral, oval, or variation. So, ang plain walls and central pocket loops, siyempre, duha ka deltas man ni. Either ang iyang forma ni spiral or oval or other variation. If an imaginary line is drawn between the two deltas touches any one of the spiral ridges, the pattern is plain. So may sample kita di karon sa idalom. If no ridge is touched, the pattern is a central pocket. So kung ang spiral ridge ang deltas, ang tool deltas ang isa ka fingerprint pattern, spiral man siya or oval, pero daw medyo gatabo ni siyang ang daywan niya ka delta, so tawag ni siya nga plain wall. Kung hindi naman niya, hindi sila malapit or hindi sila mag-abtanay, so ang pattern niya ni is a central pocket loop. So double loop made up of two loops combined into one fingerprint. So are may example man kita dire. Accidental loop or accidental loop wall contains two or more patterns or a pattern not covered by other categories. So sa double loop consists of two loops sa isa ka fingerprint pattern. Ang man ni ang accidental loop form contains of two or more patterns. Ari sa may sample na sa dalom. So ang first picture plain wall ni sa. Ang second picture central pocket loop. Ang double loop wall sa third picture, and accidental loop wall sa last picture. Pareho ni sila two deltas. Next, arcs characterized by ridge lines that enter the print from one side and flow out the other side. Arcs do not have any deltas. 5% of the population have arcs. So ang arcs naman niya why ni saya deltas kag sa overall population laka ka lang makakita sa amon nga fingerprint pattern. So arcs, there are two types, plain arc and tinted arc. Plain arc formed by ridges entering from one side and exiting on the other side of the print. They tend to rise in the center of the pattern to form a wave-like picture. So da sila na makuan sa ari sa makita sa first picture. Ang tinted arc naman niya is similar to the plain, but instead of rising smoothly at the center, there is a sharp spike over the ridges meet an angle less than 90 degrees. So ari sa second picture, hindi mo makita ang iyang ang kuan niya, ang tinted arc yung may delta ni sa ganyo. Pero Mao may delta ni saya kay daw parehas ni saya daw similar ni saya sa plain world ng itsura. Pero as Arx mention nga waay ni sa sang delta. So next, level 2 details include and are listed most common down to least common. Ridge endings. A ridge will suddenly end in the middle of a print. So ang ridge endings why isa ni natapos, kumbaga hindi ni sa complete circuit. So ang bifurcation nagsanga. Ari may picture man kita di sa idalom. That's exactly what you think it is, a dot in the middle of the pattern. Sa tunga makita na to na sa in between sang either makita ta na sa in between sang ending ridge or other ridge nga formation makita ta. In closures, a single ridge divides into two ridges. In closure daw nagtunga ni sa kag nagtabo sa piyak, pero nagkuan sa isa ka linya daw naging duwa na sila, pero pag-abot sa punta tapik man sa. So ano na ang enclosures. Next, level 3 details, which is individual ridge detail, includes the individual ridges are magnified and examined. Pores and ridges with are examined and areas can be convex, concave, or open. Using a brush and powder to find the latent print, invisible prints can destroy the details, and they also don't produce good level 3 details. Your best option would be to take a good and clear photograph. Convex, concave. Next, delta and core. So the delta is the point from which to start in ridge counting. In the loop type pattern, the ridges intervening between the delta and the core are counted. A delta, by the technical definition, is a place where the two lines run side by side and then diverge to form a triangle. The core is the second of the two focal points. As the name implies, is the approximate center of the finger impression. A core is a dead end formed by a ridge that loops back on itself. So ang delta, diri niya mahalin ang ridge counting. Dira na maumpisa. So ang loop na ang core naman niya sa pinaka center sang pattern. Ari sa pinaka tunga-tunga. So kung mag-ridge counting ka from delta to core, isipon mo lang nga ridges in between sa ila. Ang ridge tracing naman niya, sundon mo lang na ang ridges sa fingerprint pattern. So that's all, sirs and ma'am. Thank you and good evening.